Leti! Ah!
Watching the water.
Yeah? First time at Doctor's Cave? What do you like to say to your fans? Wow! Heard it here. Heard it here first. So we're at Doctor's Cave with Leti. You know, this is our first time at her first time at Doctor's Cave, her second official beach trip. She's enjoying the salt water. This water is a lot clearer than the last one, which was 2 days ago, out there at the public beach. And she's enjoying it.
This water isn't so yummy.
So we're gonna spend some time. We got the umbrellas set up on the beach. Uncle Gary taking his first sip of him juice. And we're going easy on the beach. You know, $6 US each item here. So that's 30 US umbrellas and chairs. If you're considering coming to Doctor's Cave Beach. Clear, crystal clear waters. You know, we're here to enjoy ourselves, get some lunch in a few hours, because right now it is 2 p.m. Vacationer is coming. The water didn't touch me back.
Oh, this water's so warm.
We are tropical. They go out fine land.
Leti.
Peru na the South Pole. You ever go in the water down there? It's so cold.
Leticia.
Victoria when they come 2019. As I land straight here, like straight from the airport, that would just come straight here, and then they were like this. Me step in, you literally step in and go. It's like a pool. It's so warm. It's like, bruh, I can never jump yet. Jump in. Lake Michigan. And I was like, see, you have fun, you can play in. This is
Splash, splash, splash.
Mamitas, wagwan, you enjoying your beach water? Can't see your foot a kicking out.
You know what she's not doing this time?
What?
Trying to drink it.
Ah, she took her first sip? Yeah? Yeah? Kick them legs.
So are these new? Or like did somebody
That's
bring
new.
them or Doctor's Cave has them?
Always been here to me.
No.
They weren't here last year.
They weren't here last year.
Or the year before.
People,
Or the year before.
looking at the video, top right. We're gonna do some evidence, video evidence. Them thing they never there.
They must have set them up and them back in. They've all.
But when we live here, the 1 week we there, them never there.
Okay, but they're not new. That's what I'm saying. They're not new.
They're not new as of 2022.
No, they're not new. Stop.
That's 2019, 2020.
They were here.
I don't think they were here 2019 either.
I've literally never seen it.
Only day after a week and say they were there.
No, I'm talking about 2019.
I live here. I'm telling you, these are not new.
So then take them up for the winter when we there.
Yeah, they're like, oh, God's coming back.
I say Christmas will come home a llama. They're not taking the llama. Leti, you're afloat. I guess a buoyant. Yeah, my locks fresh. This is what, day 3. Our locks look like good still. You know, before I left, I go back at the barber and clean up the side. You know, put back my part and rip it. But up on my island, clear waters, fresh. And not fresh water, salt water, Caribbean Sea, people. Don't get it twisted. But, far as the eye can see out there, so far, endless. So apparently these floaters and bouncy things have been here. As you can see that umbrella over there, so chuck off. The entertainment value of Doctor's Cave Beach. You know, in front of the S Hotel, Deja behind it. That's Deja behind there. Well, you cannot see Deja, this is actually part of the complex here. But that green roof that you can see barely, that's Deja. And it's a part of the videos that I posted last year. And we're on the island, soaking up sunny skies, partly clouded over there. Enjoy yourself. And a firing thing, warm weather, sunny. And do it. Alright. We'll go and chill. Maybe get some food and drinks. But look at the water. See? Can't see all of that. Apple Watch, get it first dipping in some ocean water. I should say second dip. So we're there, go on easy. See you in a few minutes.